sun shining bright. In my Caltrans car, everything feels right. Got a map in my hand and a plan in my mind. Avoiding those tolls, oh, I'm one of a kind. With the wind in my hair and the radio loud, driving past the city, feeling so proud. The asphalt's my dance floor, no fees in sight. Just a country boy living under the blue skylight. Got the GPS set, but I know where to go. No barriers ahead, it's a free-flowing show. I'm dodging the toll booths like a wild rodeo. In this Caltrans car, it's freedom's glow. Down the road we roll with a playful grin, living life on the edge, let the adventure begin. So here's to the long roads and the freedom we find, a Caltrans spirit oh so free and unconfined.